Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I would be doing something new, something different. In today's video I would be coloring my hair blue. So I'll just give you a little background about my hair color. I have naturally black hair color and I actually haven't colored my hair a lot. I just colored my hair once, maybe around 3 or 4 years ago, and at that time I just gave myself dark brown global color. But in today's video, as I said, I would be coloring my hair blue at home using this particular Streaks Ultralight kit. This particular kit comes in 3 color options. One is a green, a violet, and this blue one, which is called Blue Sapphire. So I am leaving for Goa in a couple of days and I really wanted to do something for my hair. So I would be using this particular highlighting kit to color my hair blue. So now this is basically a highlighting kit and I have zero experience of coloring hair, so I would not actually be highlighting my hair. All I would do is I would just take like my hair and would color the lower 2/3 section of my hair. I would just be coloring this much part of my hair and I'll just try to make it blue. Now I do not have any makeup right now, firstly because it is pretty late at night, secondly because I would be dyeing my hair blue, so I don't think that having a full face of makeup and dyeing hair would go hand in hand, specifically when I am not experienced enough. So yes, you would have to manage my bare face in this video while I would be coloring my hair blue with you guys in front of the camera. So now as I said, I don't know how to do it. I would just read the instructions which are given in the box and then just do as per the instructions. I won't lie, I have seen a few videos where ladies have tried this hair color. So I do know a little bit how to do it, but I'll still read the instructions and then let's see how does it work on my black hair. So okay, so I'll just show you what all is inside this box. I haven't opened this. There are a lot of products in this box actually, and this particular box retails for 160 rupees. It contains blonder powder, developer, colorant, coloring brush, highlighting brush. It actually comes with 2 brush, which is like good. Like if you don't have a brush or even a glove handy, then this particular kit contains everything. You won't need anything else. Information leaflet and a conditioner too. So I'll just open it and just take out all the sachets from this. Okay, first the thing that came in my hand is this little highlighting brush. Then I have, oh, this is cute. I don't actually know what is this used for, but maybe if you'll be highlighting your hair, so this section would come very handy in picking up like little sections of the hair. But because I won't be actually highlighting my hair, so I might not need this one. This is the information leaflet which contains a lot of information including the styling suggestions, but again I would not be reading this because I in my mind know what I need to do. Then these are the 2 conditioner sachets. These are the set of gloves, and then we do have these colorant cream and a pouch which says step 1, which is the blonder and the developer. So now this is actually a 2-step process and it would require an hour, a little more than an hour. So the first step is we have to choose the hair strands we wish to highlight. I would just be highlighting the 2/3 of my hair. So all we have to do is empty this particular one in 1:2 ratio and mix well in a bowl, and then apply the mixture on the chosen hair and then leave it for 30 minutes, after which we need to wash it with warm water. And okay, what this particular thing will do is this will dye my hair blonde. Now because I naturally have black hair, the color blue might not show on my hair until my hair are a little blonde. So this particular step 1 will make my hair a little blonde, so that step 2, which is actually going to make my hair blue, works a little more effectively. So yes, I guess I have understood how this process works, and now I'll just quickly change into different clothes because I don't think yellow would be a very good option to wear when I need to dye my hair blue. So I'll just quickly change into something which I don't mind ruining, and then we'll just start with the process. Okay, so now I have changed in an old t-shirt and I have my hair parted in two sections ready to apply the color. Now the first step is to mix this blonder powder and this developer in the ratio 1:2, and as per the quantity given in these sachets, this is a 10 gram sachet and the developer is a 20 ml product, so these are actually in the ratio of 1:2. So all I have to do is completely empty both these sachets in a bowl and then just start applying them using gloves. So I'll just wear my gloves first. It's actually better to wear gloves because it is mentioned here that it does contain chemicals which might irritate our skin. I don't want that to happen. It is actually written that you should do a patch test before actually coloring your hair, but because I'll be not touching the hair on my scalp, I would just be doing the lower 2/3, so that's why I didn't do a patch test. I would actually suggest you to do it before actually going into the color application. Okay, so I have my gloves on and now I am just ready to pour both the ingredients in the bowl and then start applying. I have poured both the ingredients in this bowl. Now I'll just quickly mix them and then apply it on my hair. The color looks so pretty. So now I don't know how to do it. All I'll do is maybe just divide my hair in two sections and then grab the lower 2/3 section and start applying the color. Don't forget to apply on the back section of the hair as well. I do not like the smell of this bleach thing. I hope they won't look too bad. I'll just grab both the sections and just, I don't know, maybe do it a little more. Okay, so this side is done. Now I'll just repeat the process on the other side and would be ready. Okay, now I am actually done applying that combination on both sides of my hair. I don't think that this was sufficient. I think I need more, but that was all the product that was there in the sachet. So let's see how does it work. Now I have to wait for 30 minutes before actually washing my hair. I'll just quickly show you how these look like right now. So yes, these are very like firm and very chippa type, but this is how it looks right now. Now I will see you guys after 30 minutes once I am done washing my hair. It's been a little over half an hour and I have washed and dried my hair, and this is how my hair look right now. I won't lie, I actually got a little disappointed when I washed my hair first because I wasn't able to see any color whatsoever on my hair, but now when my hair are almost dry, I can actually see a little bit of like blonde or dark brown sort of a color here. I have a little more color on this side as compared to this side, but that is because I do not know how to apply hair color. But this is actually making me excited to try the blue one and just see how it works on these blonde sections as well as how it works on these like blonde sections. Like, can you see this section? I'm really excited. As well as on my black hair. I'll just I don't think that there would be a lot of color in this, so I'll first try and cover the like blonde parts of my hair, and I'll just randomly do it because I am saying that I'll try to cover a certain section, but I know I can't do that. So okay, let's see. I am excited and I'll just grab my gloves again, and this time a mirror too, and I'll start applying this. Just look at the color. This is making me really excited, and now I'm sure I won't be able to use this t-shirt ever again, maybe during Holi, but okay. Now I would just grab my hair and start applying the color. I have applied the blue on this section, but honestly I'm not satisfied and I really want to apply more. But I am afraid that I'll finish this before actually applying on my right side. So I'll just apply the color on my right side, and then if I'm not satisfied and the color is left, I'll do the process again on the left side. Hi guys, it's actually the next morning. Yesterday it was around 2:30 a.m. when I finished washing my hair and then I dried my hair, and I'm like really disappointed with the way my hair are looking right now. I have my hair in a bun right now. I'll just open my hair and show you what I mean. Like, why am I disappointed? I'll just show that to you. So this is how my hair is looking after applying the blue color. I honestly cannot see any blue in here. I can see a little strands of brown and maybe a little bit of green somewhere in the middle sections, but I can't actually see anything blue. I was honestly maybe expecting a lot from this product. I was expecting that this section of my hair would be like proper blue, but it certainly did not happen, and I am actually disappointed. So this particular product, like, I was actually expecting this sort of a blue, the one that is shown on the picture on the lady. Maybe the product was less for my hair, or maybe it is meant for highlighting. I can see a single or two strands of hair right here and there somewhere in between my hair which are actually blue, but apart from that the green is slightly more dominant than the blue. If at all you will be able to see the green, because वो भी मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है. I am disappointed about the fact that I wasted my time on this product. I won't say that I'm actually disappointed with the amount I spent on this particular hair color, because it was like just 160 rupees and I hardly paid 120 rupees for this packet. So it wasn't actually the money that I'm sad about, but I am sad about the time I invested on this. In both the steps, I made sure that the color is there for 30 to 35 minutes. And the whole process, washing my hair twice or actually thrice. I washed my hair, then did the first step, then washed my hair, then did the second step, and then again washed my hair and applied conditioner, which was actually the process that is mentioned on the pack. I wasted almost 1.5 hours doing all these steps, and right now, like, this section of my hair still feels okay because I have the conditioner on, but on the roots of my hair I feel very dry. I don't know how will this work. Actually, I'll just show you a little clip of my hand. There is more color on my hand as compared to my hair. Even if I'll show you right now, you'll be able to see a little bit of blue on my hand, but there is no blue on my hair. So, like, yes, I would say this product did not work for me. So if you are interested in getting highlights or a hair color done, I would not actually suggest going for this particular one. Or even if you want to go for this particular one, then I would suggest that at least go for 2 boxes, because एक से तो कुछ नहीं होगा. I am actually the life proof. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video. I hope you found it informative. I am a little disappointed. I really wanted this thing to work, but it certainly did not work for me. If you have any other suggestions regarding any other kit having bright colored hair color, then please do let me know in the comment section down below, because I really want to try some bright funky colors on my hair, and I'm not actually ready to commit to that particular color for a period of 7-8 months. So do let me know in the comment section down below if there is any bright hair color product that have worked for you. So that's it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you like today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.